sweet and salty. What an awesome combination. And that's our recipe for today. We have a sweet and salty chicken recipe that's gonna be, yes, it's gonna be an absolute favorite in your home. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Hey guys, my name is Sary Elliott, and thanks for tuning into That Girl Sary, where I share delicious recipes and tips and tricks in the kitchen. And this is
Teddy and Rocky.
Teddy and Rocky, yes! Oh, Rocky. Alright, so today our recipe is soy sesame chicken. And this recipe is an absolute favorite here in our home. Yes, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Why?
Yes, and hit the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as I can. And also check out my description because I will have the recipe on there and every single equipment that I am using in this video. Alright, so are we ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's bake some chicken.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, we're gonna start off with our marinade. This is dark soy sauce. We're gonna add our brown sugar, our toasted sesame oil, and our honey. Now, we're using dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce has a thicker viscosity compared to regular soy sauce. It's also darker and has a slightly sweeter flavor to it. And it also adds a darker color to your dishes. Now we're using toasted sesame oil because it has an intense nutty aroma, darker in color, and has a more pronounced flavor. And we want that in this dish. We want it to be delicious and just smell so amazing. So we're gonna whisk this all together until it's thick and smooth. Then we're gonna add our garlic, our ginger, and our green onions. Now, as you can tell, there's a lot of flavors in this marinade. We have the salty, the sweet, we have the garlic, the ginger. It's just amazing, amazing, amazing. So we're gonna stir all these together and we're gonna set it aside. And here is our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna pour our marinade all over the chicken thighs. If you wanna use bone-in chicken thighs in this recipe, that's totally fine. You can also use chicken leg as well. All right, so we're gonna coat every single bit of marinade all over our chicken thigh. And as you can see, the color is really dark because of the dark soy sauce. However, if you don't have any dark soy sauce on hand, regular soy sauce would be just great. All right, we're gonna cover this with saran wrap. We're gonna let this sit in our fridge for 8 hours or overnight, just to give it enough time to let all of those flavors infuse in our chicken. After 8 hours or overnight, here's our chicken. Now we're gonna stir it all together just to coat and distribute every single bit of flavor from that marinade all over our chicken again. So we're gonna cover this back up. We're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. And while you're waiting, heat up your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and then after 30 minutes, add your chicken on your sheet pan. Doesn't that look amazing? It looks really good. We're gonna strain our marinade over a pot. We're gonna let this reduce until it's really thick, just like that, and it coats the back of a spoon. It should be thick, it should be shiny and just really delicious. Now our chicken's done baking. We're gonna put our chicken on a platter and we're gonna drizzle our sauce all over our chicken. Now, I like serving this with steamed rice. It will be fantastic with this dish. All right, so that's our soy sesame chicken recipe. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And I will see you guys again in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.